Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Honda CRV. It comes with 56,004 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. This vehicle does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. It does come with these interior hanging rails. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the dashboard as well. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle, it does come in kilometers, not miles. The number y'all are seeing up top, 90,131. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 56,004. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. It is really windy. I'm not sure if y'all can hear it. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.